Since it was Christmas 5 days ago, I got this as a present. So you can see the i20 Ultra 3 Max suit by iWatch Pro, or that's what it's called. Big 2.3 infinite display plus earphones, which kind of look like AirPods. 10-in-1 says. You can see it has these. Thankfully, there's no like wrapping thing, so I can just like take it off like that. Ignore my clothes over there. Let's see. As you can see, we have a few things here. We got the straps for the watch itself, but then up here we have a case, charger, which I have used already. I had to rewrap because I had to make sure this thing was ready for the video. The earbuds, which my sister tested actually, so she said they tasted. What? She said they sound like they were underwater. So yeah, apparently this button does nothing. So let's see. Does nothing. I'm pretty sure they're fully charged. There's the actual like watch itself, which I actually don't know how to turn on. There I am right there. Let's try this one. His watch ultra aluminum and ceramic case. Heart rate, sports, Bluetooth, made in China. Oh, iWatch Pro made a sound. I'm actually gonna put one of these on. Which one? Like this one. All right, so I gotta test. It says it's 10/11. That's already January 6th, and it's a Monday. It's 0 beats per minute. Actually, let's test if that works right now. Thankfully, this one is made of rubber, so I can slide it. Who the hell is that? Let's find this one, right? Let's see. So it's not actually giving me like a. Is it? Whoops. That's it. Like be here. All right, so this one doesn't work. Like one of those old. It says it's 0 degrees Celsius, which means I should be dead considering I live in California. Yeah, close enough. So ultraviolet rays 0, visibility 0, rainfall 0 millimeters. Oh, there we go. Is that Twitter? No. Okay. The call. What's this? No. Oh, it's a sports mode. So when you're exercising, so running. Let's see. I'm gonna try shaking it, see how fast it can go. See, and it said my heart rate was 74. It's not even touching me, so I'm gonna raise this back up so it's more clear. Let's see. Hold on. Is it just moving on its own? The steps? Let's see. The steps are moving on its own. Look, it's not even moving that much. So weird. I'm gonna have to move my tripod back a little bit because it's still climbing. It says music, but it's not connected to anything, thankfully. Get rid of the bike ride. Let's see how much it thinks I'm moving. Bike riding. So if I go like this. Nothing. Basketball. Alright, so let's see. What else do they have here? Calendar. What's this? In fact, let's test its beats per minute. This says I've. What the hell does that mean? Pedo 14%. Crap. It says I took 732 steps. I haven't even moved at all, and it's only been moved from underneath my Christmas tree to me to my drawer. So where it's been for the last like 5 days. So it says minutes train 1 stand. I have no idea what that means. Looking for, is it like a locator for like phones? I'm guessing. I'm not gonna connect anything to this because I don't trust it. But let's see, what else is there? There's a game icon. Let's see. Snake. Wait, they have snake. Oh wait, that does not do anything. Okay, what is this? Thumbs are so fat. Let's see. Up there. No, move. That's it for today's video. See you all in the next one. Goodbye. Help me get to 50 subscribers. Have a happy new year.